Well, that's kind of important. So, what I want to do today is that I want to talk about 10 rare EIN only business credit cards from credit unions with low APRs and high limits. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you're all doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous. If you are to ask me, if you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. In today's conversation, I want to share with you 10 rare EIN only business credit cards from credit unions. And those cards, they have low APRs and high limits. First of all, you have to understand when we talk about business credit cards from credit unions, you have to understand exactly that those credit cards are unique. They have pros and cons. So you have, what are the pros here? You have low interest rates for qualified borrowers, excellent customer service in some cases. In most of the cases, business credit cards are available to businesses with bad credit, and business credit cards are also available to startup businesses. So the limitations you have, sometimes they want you to be in business for 6 months, 9 months, or 1 year. That kind of limitation, you don't have it with business credit union, with credit unions in general. Okay, and so those are the pros. What about the cons? Sometimes with credit unions, you might have limited lending services available. And as you know, for credit unions, you got to be a member. So you got to be a member at the personal level for your business to qualify for a business credit card. And business credit cards from credit unions are also occasionally not available to very bad or limited credit borrowers. So this is something you have to keep in mind. One thing I want to say in general here is that business credit cards from credit unions we strongly recommend those because they're cheap. They have dirt cheap APR. They have high limits. You can get something between $50K to $100K, which is pretty good. If you have a startup or you have a small business, having $100,000 on a credit card as a credit line, that's pretty cool, right? Okay, before I get into the actual ranking, please check out this short evaluation video. It shows you our approach, our method when it comes to categorizing and reviewing credit cards on this show. Check this out. All right, folks. Number 10, we have Alliant Credit Union MasterCard Elite. Our score, 7.5 over 10. Here you have the credit line up to $20,000, the APR 9.99% non-variable, minimum time in business 9 months, and minimum revenue per year $36,000. That's about $3,000 a month. And the cool thing here is that you can join Alliant Credit Union by donating $5 to Foster Care to Success, a charity that provides support to teenagers aging out of the foster care system. So this Chicago-based credit union allows you to apply for a variety of financial products online. And you can also withdraw or deposit funds through one of Alliant's over 80,000 surcharge-free ATMs located nationwide. The cool thing about Alliant, what we love about Alliant is that not only do you have a high limit, 20,000, 25,000 in some cases, you have a common carrier insurance up to $250,000. You have ATM access for cash advances. You have a toll-free number to access account information and available credit all the time. You have cashback rewards. So you have a 0.5% rebate that is given on your anniversary month statement when 3,000 or more of sales minus returns is attained from anniversary to anniversary. And so you have a purchase assurance, stolen or damaged items, 90 days from date of charge, $100 per incident, aggregate of $50,000 per year. So you have a constellation here of benefits that make this card, the Alliant Credit Union MasterCard Elite, a fantastic card. Number 9, folks, we have the American Heritage Credit Union Business Platinum MasterCard. Our score, 8/10. The credit line here oscillates between $300 to $40,000. APR 2.59% to 12.59%. Minimum time in business 3 months, and minimum revenue per year $50,000. And this is a card that really allows you to get your business added purchasing power. We love the fact that you can enjoy financial flexibility while keeping business and personal expenses separate with this card. And the American Heritage Credit Union Business Platinum MasterCard not only offers a high credit line and a great low rate, but it also provides you with a range of excellent bonus features. So you have no annual fees, no balance transfer fees. You have scorecard rewards. We love that. That's fantastic. You also have the MasterCard Secure Code. You have low-cost credit life insurance credit, $1 million in travel accident insurance, extended warranty, identity theft resolution services, and price protection. And there are several ways to join American Heritage, such as paying a small one-time donation to the Kids and Hope Foundation. And American Heritage branches can be found throughout the state of Pennsylvania. But again, you don't have to live in Pennsylvania to qualify for a business credit card from this credit union. Number 8, folks, we have here Teachers Federal Credit Union Business Credit Card. Our score, 8/10. Credit line here up to $50,000. APR oscillates between 7.5 and 12%. Minimum time in business, 6 months. Minimum revenue per year, $50,000. And this is a card that is fantastic, folks, because this card is designed in your best interest to help you manage all your business expenses better. And you can enjoy more opportunities while using the card in terms of monitoring your financials. And so that you have a variable interest rate, no annual fee, and they want you to be at least in business for 6 months, okay? And one thing you need to understand here is that we love the fact that the Teachers Financial Credit Union Business Credit Card allows you also to build credit. In other words, if you're a startup and you have no business credit, you can build business credit with this card. And membership is open to the general public. You don't have to be necessarily a teacher or a professional in the educational sector to qualify. Okay, and this is really, of course, you have to have a business located in the United States. That's pretty fantastic. We also love the fact that this card gives you another layer, if you will, of features, benefits. You have you can get added security against fraud with multiple layers of security. And this includes Visa's zero liability policy for unauthorized purchases, continuous fraud monitoring, and identity theft assistance. Number 7, folks, we have NASA Federal Business Visa Platinum Advantage Rewards Credit Card. Our score, 8.5/10. The credit line here up to $50,000, APR 9.4 to 18%, minimum time in business 6 months, minimum revenue per year $24,000. And this is a card that allows you to keep your business on an upward trajectory. And you can monitor your expenses. You can actually you can rake all the rewards in. You have a competitive variable rate. There is no annual fee. You have, we love the feature, what they call individual spending limit features. In other words, you're able to monitor employee spending. You have free travel and emergency assistance. Fantastic. And the cool thing here is that in terms of eligibility to this credit union, it's pretty easy. Most of us are not employed by NASA, but that doesn't mean you can't join the NASA Federal Credit Union. You can qualify for membership by becoming a member of the National Space Society. Upon sign up, you will receive a complimentary 1-year membership to the NSS, as well as access to financial products and services. This institution has branches, shared branches, and ATMs across the United States. Number 6, folks, we have here GTE Financial Business MasterCard. Our score, 8.5/10. Here the credit line is pretty cool, pretty generous, up to $50,000. APR fluctuates between 5% and 15%. Minimum time in business 3 months. Minimum revenue per year, that's $24,000. So that's about $2,000 a month in revenue. And this is a card that allows you to acquire the spending power to build your business. And we love the fact that that GTE Financial Business MasterCard, they have excellent customer service. They will work with you. And the card has a constellation of benefits. So you have digital expense tracking. We love that. Free employee card with personalized spending limits. You have access to QuickBooks and TurboTax with discounts on services. You have mobile receipt management, so you and your employees can snap photos of receipts to store them securely. And so all of these things allows your business in the end to get the financial flexibility that your operational model desires. Okay. And the cool thing here is that if you don't meet other membership requirements, you can join GTE Financial by paying a one-time $10 membership fee to a credit union savers, the institution's nonprofit educational financial club. While GTE is based in Florida, many of its services can be accessed nationwide through its website, shared branches, and fee-free ATMs. Number 5, folks, we have Blue Federal Credit Union Business Rewards Card. Our score, 9/10. The credit line for this business card is $75,000. APR from 12.25%, a little high based on our analysis, but it's still a great card. Minimum time in business, 1 year. Minimum revenue per year, $50,000. And here is a card that has a no annual fee, no over the limit fees, cashback rewards. So it's fantastic. And the best way to actually get this card is to contact customer service, customer service rep, and so that they can actually analyze your situation, analyze your business situation, and see the best card for you. And if you don't meet Blue Federal Credit Union's family, employer, or military membership requirements, you can join by donating $5 to the Blue Foundation, an advocate for a local nonprofit. And if you choose this route, you will deposit $10 to open your account, and Blue Federal Credit Union will automatically use $5 for your donation. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Stewart Kiwi Show. We are still having a conversation today about 10 rare EIN only business credit cards from credit unions with low APRs and high credit limits. Number 4 here, we have Boeing Employees Credit Union Business Visa with cash rewards. Our score, 9/10. The credit line here is up to $75,000. The APR will oscillate between 11.49 and 23.49%. The minimum time in business, 6 months. The minimum revenue per year, $50,000. This is a great card, especially if you are a startup or you are a small business. It's a great card because you can earn 1.5% cash back on all net qualified purchases. There is no limit on how much you can earn and no spending categories to keep track of. And the cool thing, the even cooler thing here is that your accrued cash is automatically credited to your statement every month, so it never expires or goes unused. You have a straightforward, simple cash back. Okay, so 1.5% cash back on all purchases, no annual or cash advance fees, no foreign transaction fees or international purchases, no spending category restrictions. You can earn unlimited cash rewards, and you can get a 400 cashback bonus in terms of if you get the Visa with cash rewards, and you had the constellation of typical benefits. So 24/7 fraud monitoring for unusual and unexpected activities, $0 liability if your card is lost or stolen. You have a Visa account updater, so updates your BCU credit card expiration date and account number with participating merchants. You have auto rental collision damage waiver, extended warranties, and so on and so forth. And the cool thing here is that you don't have to be a Boeing current or ex-employees or be related to someone in that institution. You can actually donate to a charity called KEXP, and we're putting it on the screen right now. The charity, just donate there, and you are automatically in. You can be Okay. Number 3, folks, we have here Navy Federal Credit Union Gold-Based Rewards Card. Our score 9.5 over 10. Here the credit line is very generous, up to $75,000. APR 6 to 18%. Minimum time in business 3 months. Minimum revenue per year $50,000. And this card is great. It has a plethora of benefits, and you have first of all, there's no annual fee. Grace periods on purchases 25 days. You have no earnings cap in terms of the rewards. It's great for travel and expenses. Multiple cardholders available. Zero liability policy for unauthorized transactions. In terms of rewards here, you have 5,000 points, you can get a $50 gift card from Best Buy. 10,000 points, you can get $100 cash back. And 25,000 points, you can get a $250 round-trip airline ticket. That's wonderful. And you have travel services, information technology solutions, shipping services, restaurants, the whole 9 yards. Number 2, folks, when it comes to the 10 rare EIN only business credit cards from credit unions with low APR and high credit limits, we have America First Credit Union Business Visa. Our score 9.5 over 10. The credit line is goes all the way to $75,000. The APR 3 to 9%. Minimum time in business 9 months, and minimum revenue per year $50,000. And here, the cool thing here is that you have this credit union gives you a variety of ways to tailor the American First Credit Union Business Visa to fit the unique needs of your company. So you have the America First Business Cashback. Here you can receive 2% cash back on fuel purchases. You can also get 1%, 1.5% cash back on every other purchase. That's the first option, America First Business Cashback Plus, right? And then you have America First Business Cashback. Here you can earn up to 1% cash back on purchases, and the rebate is automatically deposited into your savings accounts annually. The third option is America First Business Rewards, and you can earn 1 point for every dollar you spend. You can redeem points for cash, travel, merchandise, and more at the company's online store. And the cool thing here is that with the Business Visa Platinum card, you also get personalized design, Visa Business Reporting, chip-enabled EMV fraud protection, and card guard for peace of mind. You have travel assistant and insurance. And to be part of this credit union is very easy. If you don't qualify through the traditional route, as long as you are an employee or a member of a select employer group or an affiliated association, you qualify. But honestly, this terminology covers the whole 9 yards, if you will. So it's pretty easy. If you're interested, just contact them, and I'm sure you will qualify. Number 1, folks, the best of the best in our view. Consumers Credit Union Business Visa Platinum. Our score 10 over 10. Credit line up to $100,000. APR 3.5 to 10%. Minimum time in business 6 months. Minimum revenue per year $36,000. In our view, this is the best card. This is the best EIN business card from a credit union. It has a low APR, as you can see, 3.5%, and a high limit up to $100,000. And in addition, the card has no annual fee, no fee cash advances, additional cards available for employees at no cost. Fantastic. Individualized credit limits available for additional card, secure online account review, and payment options from the CCU, from the Consumers Credit Union site. Visa's zero liability means you are protected if your card is lost or stolen. Auto rental insurance on a 24-hour basis for collision or theft damage, automatically covering up to the actual cash value of most rental vehicles. Travel accident insurance coverage of up to $500,000 at no additional cost when you travel on common air, sea, and ground carriers. Travel and emergency assistance services, including medical and legal referrals, emergency ticket replacement, and more. Available 24 hours a day and every day of the year by calling a toll-free number or calling collect outside of the United States. So this card is fantastic. It has a plethora of benefits. In addition, membership follows a simple 2-step process. You want to pay a one-time, non-refundable $5 fee to the credit union sponsor, the Consumers Cooperative Association, and then you deposit and maintain a minimum of $5, yes, in your membership share savings account. So this is really simple to actually get into this credit card. And one thing I also want to say here is that the Consumers Credit Union Business Visa Platinum has it allows you to add or remove a joint owner. You can add or remove an authorized user. You can request a replacement card or close a card. You can request a credit limit increase. So even though the card's initial credit limit is already high, up to 100,000, they allow you to actually request another credit limit if you are able to speak with the representative and convince that representative. You can request a balance transfer. That's wonderful. Okay, so this is really, really cool. This is a card that you might want to consider if you're really are looking for the best EIN only business credit cards from a credit union with low interest and high credit limits at this point in time. All right, folks, this was it for today's conversation. I was speaking to you about the 10 rare EIN only business credit cards from credit unions with low APRs and high credit limits. Number one, we have a Consumers Credit Union Business Visa Platinum. Our score, 10 over 10. Number two, we have America First Credit Union Business Visa, 9.5 over 10. Number three, we have Navy Federal Credit Union Gold Biz Rewards Card, 9.5 over 10. Number four, we have a Boeing Employees Credit Union Business Visa with cash rewards, 9 over 10. Number five, we have Blue Federal Credit Union Business Rewards, 9 over 10. Number six, we have GTE Financial Business MasterCard, 8.5 over 10. Number seven, we have NASA Federal Business Visa Platinum Advantage Rewards Credit Card, 8.5 over 10. Number eight, we have Teachers Federal Credit Union Business Credit Card, 8 over 10. Number nine, we have American Heritage Credit Union Business Platinum MasterCard, 8 over 10. And number 10, we have Alliance Credit Union MasterCard Elite, 7.5 over 10. Thank you so much for your attention, folks. I really appreciate it. I will see you another time. But until then, remember, stay marvelous.